Are your websites failing to load or freezing in Google Chrome? In this guide, we dive deep into mastering Chrome power settings to fix common loading failure fast. First step, optimize performance and power savers. If websites load slowly or tabs constantly refresh, Chrome's memory saver or energy saver modes might be too aggressive. Scroll down, turn off memory saver, and then turn off energy savers. Next step, enable predictive preloading. Make sites load faster by allowing Chrome to predict which pages will visit next. Here you will find the last option, preload pages. Just turn it on and you can select extended preloading or standard preloading. I'm selecting extended preloading. When on, browsing and searching is faster than standard preloading. Next step, clear cache. If settings adjustment do not fix the issue, corruption in cache data is likely the cause. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on delete browsing data. Select all time. Select browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached image and files. Click on show more. If you select download history, all your downloaded item will be deleted. Then click on delete data. Then fourth step, disable extension. Some extensions may cause conflict on your Google Chrome. Go to three dot icon on upper right corner, then go to extensions, click on manage extensions. If you have any VPN extension, just turn it off and click on remove, then click on remove. In this way, remove extensions which conflict in your Google Chrome performance. Fifth step, tweak hardware acceleration. When Chrome cannot render a page properly, such as white screens, missing images, hardware acceleration is often the culprit. Go to address bar and type chrome clone /settings/system. Hit enter. If you find use graphics acceleration when available is turned on, just turn it off. Or if you find it turned off, you should turn it on and then click on relaunch to restart the Google Chrome browser. Next step, disable background app uses. To keep memory free and stop background tasks from hogging resources, prevent Chrome from running when it is closed. You will find under System the first option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just turn it off. If these fixes can solve your issue, slow performance, you have to go for last fix. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Go to settings and left menu pane. You will find reset settings. Click on reset settings. Then click on restore settings to their original default. This will reset your Google Chrome extensions, caches, and every configuration you have made. Click on it and then click on reset settings. Hope these fixes will solve your issue and your Google Chrome performance will be more faster. That's it.